Here is my review of a new video streaming service called Quibi. This video streaming service features short films that would be 10 minutes or less, and the videos are specifically designed for your phone. The service currently has two plans. One is priced at $4.99 a month and the other one is priced at $7.99 a month. The only difference between the two plans is that one is ad supported while the other one is ad free. Unlike other video streaming services out there, Quibi does not have a web version of their streaming service, meaning you would not be able to watch content from Quibi on your PC. Also, as per their help document, Quibi service only supports single stream viewing per account, which means you would be able to watch only on one screen at a time. Now, here's something interesting about Quibi. When you are playing a video on Quibi, it will always be in full screen, and it adjusts according to which layout you're playing in as well. I did, however, feel that the quality in portrait mode was lower than what I noticed in landscape mode, and that is where maybe Quibi needs to do some improvement. Ads that run on the ad-supported plan of Quibi are unskippable, and they can come whenever you play a video, or they might even show up when you download an episode as well. So if I try to close this ad right now, it will actually stop the video from being downloaded. From what I've noticed so far, the ads are usually timed at 15 seconds max, which is not that bad. If you have really slow internet or you have a limited data plan, you can always enable the minimize data usage feature. While that feature reduces your data usage, it also reduces the video quality. You can also adjust the video quality specifically for streaming and download as well. Now, if you go under preferences, the app also features a specific left-handed mode. So if you use the phone in your other hand, you can enable it. I think it would be good if the app also featured the ability to cast the videos to a certain device. Currently that feature is not there. And when you are playing a specific video, you cannot do a picture-in-picture mode. Let me show you guys how it works on Netflix. So let's say if I played a video on Netflix, I can actually reduce the size and I can still watch the show and do some other things. With the Quibi app, this is not possible. I did watch a couple of videos on Quibi, and what I felt was that depending on the genre, sometimes maybe a 10-minute limit on an episode might be too short. Sometimes I was just getting a hold of the episode and it just ended. But for example, for a court case, maybe a 5-minute video on a specific case is more than enough. It might not make sense for an action or mature-based series. I did experience not being able to connect to the service, but maybe it's because of the service being new and their servers being overloaded. I think the service might be good for someone who is commuting, or let's say you want to watch something during your lunch break. If you are interested in trying out Quibi, they do have a free trial, currently set at 90 days. Do let me know through comments of what you think of the service. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.